Welcome to a paradise unlike any other, where your dream vacation becomes a reality in this video. We invite you to explore vacation rentals that are nothing short of a tropical haven. Strategically nestled near the thrilling Blizzard Beach water park and the enchanting world of Epcot. Picture this, waking up to the magic of Disney's Epcot, with its cultural wonders and imaginative experiences, just moments away from your doorstep. Feel the excitement as you splash into the watery wonderland of Blizzard Beach, where thrilling water rides, lazy rivers, and relaxation await all age. But the enchantment doesn't end there. These vacation rentals serve as your very own tropical sanctuary, offering much more than mere proximity. Step inside to uncover spacious living areas, kitchens equipped for family feasts, and a complete array of amenities ensuring a cozy and comfortable stay. Whether you're a family or a group of friends, our rentals set the stage for relaxation and the creation of cherished memories. When you're not out exploring the theme parks, you're always within easy reach of Orlando's lively dining and entertainment scene. Delight in delectable global cuisines. Indulge in shopping for one-of-a-kind souvenirs, or immerse yourself in the vibrant local cultural just a stone's throw from you. Or immerse yourself in the vibrant local cultural just a stone's throw from your vacation rental. Yet, it's not solely about the theme parks and dining experiences. Our vacation rentals are thoughtfully crafted to craft enduring memories. Take a refreshing dip in the pool. Relish family barbecues beneath the Florida sun, or simply relax in your own private sanctuary. Your tropical escape extends well beyond the theme parks, striking a harmonious balance between adventure and relaxation. And as the sun sets, the enchantment continues. Many of our rentals offer awe-inspiring vistas of nightly fireworks extravaganzas. From nearby attractions, imagine sipping your favorite beverage on your private balcony, gazing at the brilliantly lit sky, and immersing yourself in the captivating allure of Orlando's nocturnal charm. In Orlando, where dreams manifest into reality, your paradise is ready and waiting. After each exhilarating day, you can retreat to your vacation rental, knowing that your tropical haven eagerly awaits the adventures of tomorrow. Come and be a part of our journey and discover Orlando's beauty like never before.